Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can download Valorant on laptop. So firstly open a browser, then just simply type in Valorant, then open Valorant, then just simply click on the first link. Now after that just simply click on play now over here, then just simply click on sign in if you have an account, and if you don't have an account just simply click on make one, and after creating an account just simply again log in. Then just simply enter your ID and password, and after entering your ID and password just simply click on this red icon over here which is sign in. Now after you're logged in your Valorant account just simply click on play free over here, then you will find the download link, and over there just simply click on download. Then within a few seconds you will get a download pop-up. So over there just simply choose a location and just simply click on save. Then after the exe is downloaded just simply click on that, then click yes. Now new installation page will be opened, and over there you can just simply click on install, and if you want to change the installation directory just simply click on advanced option, then choose the installation path, choose any path of your liking, and if you want to make a new folder click on make new folder, name it Valorant if you want to, then just simply click on that folder which you made, then press OK, then click install. Again click yes. Now a downloading panel will open where your Valorant is currently downloading, which you can see over here right now. And while it is downloading just simply enter your username and password, and if you have linked your account with any other social media like Facebook, Google, Apple or Xbox, you can just simply use them by just simply clicking on any one of them, for example Google. Then it will take you to sign in page, then just simply choose whichever account you are linked in with, and if your account is linked it will redirect to your Riot Games application and the sign in will be complete. But if you haven't linked your Valorant account with any social media just simply enter your ID password and click on stay signed in. So after entering your username and password just simply click on sign in option over here. Now all you have to do is just simply wait for the installation process to get completed, and after the installation process is complete just simply restart your computer, and after the restart your game is good to go. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.